Hello, Miss Alzell class. Today, we're going to be doing my 30-day trial, which is making food. So, first rule that I've learned is always wash your hand first, okay? So, first ingredient, does anybody know what that is? You. How about you? Nope. It is avocado. So, first we're just going to get a little plate here. Going to get our 3 avocados. Okay, now let's go get ourselves a little onion. Let's go. Okay, so we got the onion, and now the tomato, our lime juice, Okay, and we got our bowl. Oh, this is dirt. Well, it being dirty adds a little bit of flavor. Like, see that little crisp right there? See that crisp? Right there? You see that crisping? See that crisping? That adds flavor right there. So, you know what we're going to do first? We're going to get ourselves a cutting board. There we go. So let's go get our spoons to mash stuff with. And last but not least, the knife. We're gonna get our pepper, which before you freak out on me, you do need pepper for guacamole, and our salt. Let's start. So many of you might remember me from Cooking with Martha, and like I've gotten a lot of questions on that if there's ever going to be another series. Now this is like almost, you guys should be happy that I'm doing this because, to be honest, this is like just like Cooking with Martha. So, see, sometimes they try to get you to not get that last little bit. And like, that's the thing, like, Cooking with Martha is coming back, and I mean, like, the problem is, nobody suggests anything, like, what do you want to see? And like, that's the problem. It's like, really, okay. So, I mean, like, you guys tell me in class what you want to see on Cooking with Martha next. Now, this is like my technique on cutting the avocado, which I've done many different techniques in this 30 days, so I actually like this one the best. Now, you guys can think differently, but to be honest, I don't care what you have to think, okay? I do what I want, and when I'm done, I feel great about it. Now, you can see right here, this pit, like, most people, like, think, like, ooh, maybe if I do this, this will be good. And it does work, but see, I'm more of that vigorous person that just goes like this, bang. Alrighty then, a little fighter. So, you know, it's really ridiculous how things go. And so, this is another thing. People sometimes don't do it this way. No, I like to just go around the edges till you get the most out of it there. I think that opening an avocado like this is the most beneficial. Now, you see, I've done this for 30 days now, and I'm already about $500-600 back with this stupid project. So, I know that that's the way to do it. Now, you can go like this and have your fun, but no, you don't do it that way. If you do it this way, watch how beneficial it is. Ready? You just go around and then bang. And then you go around one more time. Bang. Now, you can already see, and it's just going to pop open. And some people, like, go, and that's the way I do it. But see, some people also go, now, it does make a bit of a mess doing it that way, and that's why I don't do it. Now, remember, when you see that pit, oh, really? Here we go. Right out of here, out of the park. Now, I see I have a powerful pitch, so look at that. Took the whole chunk out of it. Stop. So now we're just going to scoop it out as usual. Excuse me. Now this is a messy process, and A lot of people don't get that, and that's why some people aren't the best at cooking. Now, actually, did you really think I was going to give that up? No. What you really want to do is you want to drop this over here. Bang. Okay, now. Come closer, come on, man. And see, this is where a lot of people mess up. Like, some people think, like you want it to be really mushy. No, I kind of like mine chunky, actually. So what you do, you get it all on a line like this. Ready? Now watch carefully. Watch carefully what I do here. And like when you're done with that, you just throw it straight into the bowl. Now, unfortunately, the pit came out of there, so I guess we won't be having any of that. Oh. It's like slime almost. Okay, so I'm just gonna go wash my hands and I'll resume after. People do like the juggling as to learning something beneficial. Now I can do that, but I'm more of a Kobe type of person. Next up, onion. So really, some people like try to trick me and say like if you cut the ends off of these, or the butt, stop. So now anyways, if you cut them off, it usually burns your eyes, and that's why I'm here today. Bang, bang. Pretty much what I usually do is I just take out the first outer shell, like right here. So once you get this little skin off, it's really simple. After that, it's a simple drop kick. Ready? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, so see how perfect that was? Now, I don't think it's fine enough, so I gotta slice a little bit more. Done. As simple as that. Now, if you want to see what this is looking like so far, just take a little look. I'm mixing that pretty much just gonna clean up the rest of the onion, which I get pretty good at. No, hold on, I'm gonna adjust. Yeah. Pause. So I know the onions are a little vigorous, so you really gotta watch out for the. So with these, you just gotta. Excuse me! Hold on, I got an itch. So pretty much once you get that itch, now it happens every once in a while, so let's just keep going. Usually I take out the tops of these. And you see, when you do this, it loosens up the top. I personally don't like tomatoes, so. To go from here, I did learn from Martha Stewart that you want to go like this. You want to start out easily and go in. That's exactly what it said in her video. So, excuse me. So, the number one thing with cooking is you gotta see how old this tomato is. Like, look at this. Now, I just want you guys to take a little guess. How old do you think this is? Just take a guess. How old do you think this is? Well, I'm gonna tell you. So, you see these little dots here? There's one right there. That's 1 year. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This one took 14 years to grow. And that's why it's so hard to cut. Ready? Oh! Sag it! Continue the cutting after that little mishap, I guess you'd say. That little error back there. We're gonna try not to pay attention to that. So, the thing... I'm gonna show you my little basketball stunts here. Okay, open the trash. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and there we go. Tomatoes finished, just gonna throw them right in there. Now, I don't like tomatoes, so we're just gonna take a little bit out. And then look, perfect amount. Just gonna, perfect amount. Mix it in a little bit. See, I mix it with my hands because I always make sure that my hands are clean. And it's really, some people forget to wash their hands. And that really bothers me. That's like the type of stuff, it's really ridiculous how some people can't figure out how to wash. So, once you figure, so, here's a little trick. You have to chill this. And not a lot of people know that, so. In the meantime, while that chills, I'm just gonna go over me because I was a drink maker. So I'm just about done. I don't know, there's probably 10 spoonfuls in there. And that's good. So now we're gonna do the taste test. Okay, anyways, when you're gonna try this out, like I said, I like mine chunky. That's why there's big chunks of tomato and onion. Personally, I hate onion. I mean, I hate tomato. I mean, I hate both. So here we go. Let's get a little scoop in. Right? Delicious. Try some. Try some. Right? Get a big old heaping handful.